Hello, Al Pals. This is Big Al. Welcome to Big Al Presents. And today on Big Al Presents, I had to talk about this poster. First of all, Birds of Prey and the Fantabulous Emancipation of one Harley Quinn. Only in theaters February 7th. So if you don't go to the theaters on February 7th, this movie won't get you. It's scary. You want to stay away from it. Just don't go to a theater on February 7th, and you'll be fine because that's the only place it's going to be. Sadly, I wish that were the case. But I had to talk about this poster. Just look at it for a moment. Margot Robbie, who I think is a beautiful girl, is no, not in this case. Her Harley Quinn is just not doing it for me in this. Uh, First of all, look at the little birdies floating around her head. Oh yes, she's so ditzy. All the little birdies are floating around her head. Poor Hugh McGregor as Black Mask. One, no mask. It would have been cool to put him in a mask. It would have been kind of funny. But no, we've got him there. Of course, we've got Harley. She's a little birdie too. Cassandra Cain. There she is. I don't know who this is, but I really don't care. And more little birdies. Oh, look at a little parrot. This here, I believe, is Black Siren. I think. I'm not 100% sure. And here we have the lovely Mary Elizabeth Winstead. I think I got her name right. As Huntress. If I had to pick one thing out of this poster that was halfway decent, it's Huntress. But we've seen the black leather clad tough girl thing done. Nothing here that's anything different. So yeah, no. Oh, Mr. Zaz, the poor, perplexed-looking Mr. Zaz, floating around her head, just waiting for more deaths for him to carve into himself, I guess. God, just look at how. I mean, it's the whole poster. First of all, I had very little interest in this movie before. I now, thankfully, have zero interest. This has totally cured me of any possibility of ever wanting to lay eyes on this movie. I think, personally, that the artists, the creators, the designers, whoever, that came up with this poster should be driven out of Hollywood by torch-bearing mobs, and they should be shuffled away to a high mountain with no internet or computers, and it should be made a federal offense, punishable by possibly death, if they should ever touch a Photoshop program or anything like that again, because this is just hideous. Yeah, that's all this video is going to be about. I just had to say something. I usually stay mute on the negative stuff. I try to, but I couldn't. Not after this. I saw this, and I could not remain silent. So yeah, take a look at it if you want a closer look. First of all, God help you if you want a closer look. But if you want to get a closer look, I'm sure it's out there in many places, and I'm sure there's going to be many people giving many an opinion about it. But anyway, I hope everyone has a good day. If you can, after seeing this, I'm going to try. I'm going to go take a take an aspirin, and hopefully I'll recover. So, everyone, have a great day. Take care, and we'll see you later. Bye.